Hello everyone. I just bought this gadget from the GearBest website, and I have paid almost $24. That's okay, right? And this is a new Xiaomi MiBand 2. This is the second generation. I will try to open here. Hold on. It came like this, something soft here. This is the that's okay. Here is the strap. In this version, it came as a manual. Here, a manual. This manual is, as you can see, it's totally in Japanese or Chinese, I don't know. I will try to mount it here. This is the sensor, the new sensor. It's touch screen, as you can see here. The time today. You can see the matter, calories, heart rate. There's as you can see, I will click here, click again and again, and it will start to monitor my heart. Hold a second. Yeah, there is 94 beatings for a minute. That's okay. And you can see a lot of different things in this smart band, and you can connect your smartphone and unlock your smartphone through the smart band. What's more, you can do a lot of things. You can be warned about someone who call you through the WhatsApp, and if your mom calls you in your smartphone, the smart band can warn you as well. And I think that's it. This is a good one. It came fast from the GearBest. Nice price. What's more? Yeah, I think that's it. See you later.